Uh-oh. That didn't sound good. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another Copart video. Yeah, because we do Copart all the time over here. So we won something today, and you guys love when we win something. So instead of talking about it, I'm gonna show it to you right now. So here it is. This is the one you've all been waiting for. It is the Buick. Is it a LeSabre? No, it's not a LeSabre. Isn't she beautiful? The Supercharged, baby. The Supercharged. Oh, I showed this to you guys on video. 178,000 miles. We need a couple badges and a couple rear tires, and that's about it. It's the Park Avenue, in case y'all forgot. It's the Park Avenue Ultra, so it is the Supercharged version. We got backup sensors. It's got 16-inch alloys. It's got the leather. Most of you have already seen this car, I think, by now. Oh, wait, what is that doing in there? That's interesting. I could have swore that was on the engine. Huh. All right, well, we know the car is dead. At least I assume the car is. Actually, I see lights. The car was dead. I know that they brought it out here for us. I guess we can try to fire it up. Yeah, they had it on a booster pack. Maybe it charged up. Let's let's do the big reveal here, man. We got to drive this sucker to the house. Oh, let me find the keys here. All right, I'm excited. We got gauges. Everything came on. Let's turn all this off because I think the battery is pretty weak on this one. Do we not have a display here? The display doesn't work? No, display doesn't work. Uh-oh. That didn't sound good. That sounds like a rod knock. Oh, shoot. Let's take a look under the hood. Yeah, she's a banging, man. Good God Almighty. She's a knocker. Absolutely. And as if knocking isn't bad enough, someone cut the mufflers off of it. Listen to this. Pipe has been cut all the way back there. So what do you think? Good deal or bad deal? Wait till I tell you how much I paid for it. We ended up winning the bid at $700, and we paid $955 out the door. To me, that sounds like a rod, man. Doesn't it to you? It really sounds like a rod. I'm gonna pop that hood one more time and look at the pulleys, but I don't think that's a pulley. I don't. Service engine soon light is on. No, I'm not gonna BS you. I already knew this car was knocking like this. I knew that the mufflers were missing. Just had to add that in there for a little bit of dramatic effect. They drove it out here for me, and obviously I heard it, and I'm not impressed. I think this may be about the worst buy ever. Maybe not quite, but it's definitely got a misfire. You can see it misfire, and you can hear it just banging, man. And I'm looking down at the harmonic balancer. It looks smooth. All the pulleys look smooth. Supercharger. I don't feel any banging on the supercharger at all. You know, when you have a knock, you can put your hand on. A lot of times you can feel it. This sounds like it's coming from the bottom end. I can't see see under there either. Well, let's at least drive it around the parking lot real quick and get an idea of, this is one thing I haven't done. I haven't put it in gear. I haven't tried to move it at all. Oh, the oil light just came on. Great. Oil light. Yeah. Yeah, she's dying. She's done. Yeah, this car is done. See if we can move it around real quick. But I think I'm gonna send this one right back through the auction, you know what I mean? No, she just died again. I changed my mind. Let's put it back. Yeah, let's put it back. This car is an effing dud. All right, so I guess the point that I need to make here is you should always listen to these things run. I didn't. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't hear it run. This is a vehicles for veterans auction. So this car is a donation for veterans, you know, and so far I've done a lot of business. I've bought a lot of cars from these people, and we've never gotten a dud before. So, you know, I got a little ahead of myself, and I saw the car and I was like, oh no, this thing's gonna be great. I didn't hear it run because the battery was dead, and I figured we're not gonna have any problems. I was wrong. I was very wrong. And it just goes to show that, you know, you got to be careful. Now, luckily, this car was only $955 out the door, so we don't stand to lose a whole lot of money on this one. I am going to send it back through Copart here in just a second. I think I'm actually going to walk right back in to the Copart lot and tell them to send it back. We're just gonna let this thing go right back through the auction. Whatever it goes for is whatever it goes for, I suppose. For sure, it's got a bad engine. I'm totally certain it's got a bad motor, and that sucks. I was really looking forward to bringing you some good content on this car. It's just not gonna happen. But what I can say, I made a mistake. I screwed up. I shouldn't have. I'll be more careful next time. But I want to thank all of you for watching the video on the car, and stay tuned because we'll have to do another video about how much it sells for and how much we actually lost on this deal. So stay tuned for that. Poor Buick, man. I feel bad for the car. I ain't changing the engine in this thing. It's just not worth it. I guess stay tuned for the next one. If you enjoyed the content, give the video a thumbs up, and if you don't, well, give it a thumbs up anyway. Don't forget to comment below. Please follow me on Facebook. Auto Auction Rebuilds is the fan page. Follow that. Really helps me out a lot. Follow me on Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. And stay tuned, guys. And I guess you will see what the final outcome is of this once it sells. And then, yeah, I'm upset with myself. I should have listened to it run. I really am. But, I mean, it's a life lesson. You know, it really is. I take that to heart. You know, this is a slap in the face going, listen, man, pay attention to what you're doing, because this could have been avoided. If I'd heard this thing fire up the first time, no way in heck I would have even thought about bidding on this at all. So live and let live, live and learn, whatever. Stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you all very soon in the next one.